Assalamualaikum students. Today's topics are letter to friend congratulating her on success. Second topic is story a foolish stag. Class 9 subject English. Now first of all coming to letter. Letter to friend congratulating her on her success. So it is letter that you are writing to your friend for congratulating her on success. So we will be very specific about writing pattern. Along with the margin line, you have to start your letter. After leaving one line, you have to start letter with examination hall. You have to write E capital, H capital. Examination hall, no punctuation. Then A, B, C with no gap along with margin line. Then you have to write date 24th July, comma 2020 or 2020. So there are two punctuation, comma and full stop. Then leave one line and then you have to write along with the margin line, my dear friend. Then you have to leave one line and you have to write assalamu alaikum in between the page. You have to write assalamu alaikum in the middle of your page. Now we will start our letter with margin line. I am fine and hope you will be fine too. Full stop. I have just received the news of your success in exam. Full stop. I am very glad to know that you stood first in the class. I am proud of you. You are really very hard-working student. I heartily congratulate you on your brilliant success. Please convey my congratulations to your parents also. Then you have to leave one line and you have to write your loving friend XYZ. You have not mentioned your name, you have to write XYZ. So coming to difficult words. Received मौसूल करना. Stood first in the class. You have taken first position in the class. I am very proud of you. फ़ख्र होना. Really very hard working student. मेहनती student. I heartily congratulate you. Heartily दिल से, दिली मुबारकबाद देना. On your brilliant success, brilliant wonderful success. So this was letter. You have to be very specific about writing a letter and you have to write exclamation sign after assalamu alaikum. Now coming to second topic, which is story. Story is a foolish stag. Bewakoof Barasinga. Once upon a time there was a stag. One day he felt thirsty. He went to a pond. As he bent down to drink water, he saw the reflection of his horns in the water. He felt very proud of his horns. Then his eyes fell on the reflection of his legs. He did not like them. He was ashamed of them. He cursed his legs for their ugliness. Now coming to difficult words of paragraph number 1. Once upon a time there was a stag. Stag means Barasinga. One day he felt thirsty. He went to a pond. एक तालाब में पानी पीने के लिए गया. As he bent down, जैसे ही वो नीचे झुका, to drink water, he saw the reflection अक्स of his horns. अपने सींग, horns means बारासिंगा के जो सींग होते हैं. He felt very proud of his horns. Then his eyes fell on the reflection of his legs. He did not like them. He was ashamed of them. He was ashamed of his legs. He cursed his legs. Cursed बुरा भला कहना for their ugliness. Ugliness बदसूरती के लिए. So there was a foolish stag who thought that his horns are very beautiful, but his legs are not that much beautiful. He thought that his legs are very ugly. Second paragraph. Suddenly he heard the bugle of the hunters and the barking of their dogs. He ran to escape from the hunters, but his horns got caught in the bushes. The stag tried very hard to free them. In desperation, he gave a massive tug. As a result, his horns broke and he became free. He ran with all his might and managed to save himself from the hunters. The tired stag now cursed his haunts for nearly getting him killed. Now, coming to difficult words of second paragraph. Suddenly he heard the bugle of the hunters. Bugle, sound of a whistle or instrument, and barking of their dogs. Barking, bhunkna. He ran to escape from the hunters. He ran to save his life. But his horns got caught in the bushes. Bushes झाड़ियों में. But his horns got caught in the bushes. उसके सींग झाड़ियों में उलझ गए. The stag tried very hard to free them. In desperation, in hopelessness, he gave a massive tug. He pulled it hardly. He dragged his horns. He pulled it. As a result, his horns broke. His horns broke, and he became free. He ran with all his might, all his force, and managed to save himself from the hunters. The tired stag now cursed his horns for nearly getting him killed. So, there was the horns that he was very proud of them, but now there was his legs who saved them. There was his leg. He was cursing his legs, but there was his legs who saved them. And he was very proud of his horns, but his horns nearly getting him killed. So, what is moral? All that glitter is not gold. Pride hath a fall. सो प्राइड हेथ अ फॉल. गरूर का सर नीचा होता है और हर चमकती चीज़ सोना नहीं होती. सो एवरीथिंग दैट इज़ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल, इट इज़ नॉट, it doesn't mean that it is beneficial for you. So it was his legs who saved him from the hunters. Now coming to activity, learn letter and story.